Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Groestlcoin wallet. So let's jump right into it. The first step here is to find the correct domain name, so I'll show you how I do that. We're going to go to CoinMarketCap for this, so you could search that in your browser, coinmarketcap.com, and there's a search bar here on the right side. We're going to go ahead and type in Groestlcoin. You could just type in GRO and it's the first link that pops up right here, Groestlcoin. So go ahead and click that. We're going to scroll down a little bit and click this button right here which says website. And as you can see, it takes us to groestlcoin.org. Go ahead and search that if you wish. It's spelled GROESTLCOIN.org. If you do search it yourself, just make sure that you don't misspell anything and verify it's connected to a HTTPS website, and verify it's secure by making sure it has a green padlock or not. And it does, so we're good. And the other way to find their website is to go on their Twitter profile. If you go back to CoinMarketCap under Groestlcoin and scroll down, there's a button right here that says social next to markets and charts. Go ahead and click that. And if you scroll down again, it'll show you the tweets by Groestlcoin. So I'm going to go ahead and click this Twitter profile, and this is their Twitter. They have 38,000 followers at the moment, and the website or link that they're promoting here is groestlcoin.org. So great, this is the official website. So we're going to move on to step number 2, which is to find the correct wallet. So I'll show you how I do that. So here on the website at the very top, it says websites here, and they have multiple options. They have desktop, mobile, online, paper wallet, third parties, and hardware. However, for this video, I'll be focusing on the web wallet. Groestlcoin Web, this is the one that we're choosing. However, before we download anything, I do want to be clear that the wallets here on this website are official and they're highly recommended for everyone, and it's also being developed and maintained by the core Groestlcoin development team. So we're going to move on to step number 3, which is to create the wallet. And again, all you have to do is go to wallets, and we're going to click web online right here and go ahead and choose Groestlcoin Web here. If you scroll down, we're going to click web wallet right here, and that's what we're going to do. And the next step here is to create new. We're going to create an address, and all you have to do to create a new address is click generate here. And what it's going to do for you is give you something to copy and paste. You're going to have to copy and paste these 3 information into your password manager. On our team, we use keypass.info, and it's mandatory that you use a password manager, especially for all your crypto accounts. So go ahead and copy and paste this into your password manager, and you'll be able to use this information to send and receive. In this video, I will not be talking about how to send, receive, backup, protect, or even update the wallet. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to create a new address using the Groestlcoin web wallet. And there's one more step I want to show you though, which is how to open and close this web wallet. And it's pretty simple, but make sure you copy and paste this information because you won't be able to get it back. You could always create a new address every time you click generate here. However, if you're storing money on it, you want to make sure to keep it safe. All you really have to do is just exit out of this page. So I could just exit out of all this entirely. I don't even have to be on it anymore. And what I could do is go back to CoinMarketCap here and click website. And then click wallets. I'll choose web wallet. Click Groestlcoin. And click web wallet here. And I'm back. It looks like this is the web wallet. So let's take a quick peek at what you could do here, but you could also do SegWit address, multi-sig address, which is cool. You could do time locked address, HD address. As far as transactions go, you could create a new transaction under transaction. You could put in your address here, and you could put someone else's address down below here, along with how much you want to send them on the right side. Choose amount, and then click submit. Then you could verify that transaction, sign a transaction, broadcast a transaction, open wallet, and there's an about tab right here. And if I go back to home, this is what the home page looks like for the web wallet. And that's about it for this video. If you like watching blockchain tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint, you could check out the display address right here or check out the link below. And you could also get 10% off using my promo code Denny2018. You could also follow our team on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Denny Lovejoy. And thank you so much for watching my blockchain tutorial on how to set up a Groestlcoin wallet. And if you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, leave me a comment on Twitter. Thanks again and have a terrific day. I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.